Hi, Jim Robinson with the Premium Daily Forex Newsletter. We got a lot of big trades coming up in the Forex pairs, and here's what I think is going on the EUR USD. The 50-week moving average, this is a weekly chart, is heading up, and I think that this area here is going to be support. I think the 50-week moving average is going to support this market. The stochastic shows the uptrend and then the correction, and the stochastics is oversold. And again, I think this is just a bull swing here and an A, B, C correction, and I think this thing's ready to take off again to the upside. Now, the important part of it is you got to get the right entry signal and stop, and that's where the premium newsletter comes in, because if you take too big a risk, or if you don't take big enough risk, and that's where you get in trouble with these markets. So you got to have the right entry point and stop. Like right now, even though I think it's coming into a low, I'm not going long until I get my buy signals and have a good place to put a stop. Okay, now these are all going to be weekly charts. The GBP, USD. Okay, again, this 50-week moving average is up. This area around the 50-week moving average is going to be support. I think this was just like a bull swing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC correction, A, B, C. The stochastics is coming into oversold, and I'm expecting the GBP USD to head higher from here, and I'm going to take buy signals in that if I get them. The AUD USD, and these markets all have these pairs all have a little different look to them because of the way the correction's gone. The AUD USD has been a shallower correction because evidently this pair is a stronger pair right now. The Aussie is probably stronger compared to the other currencies, but again, it's pretty much the same thing. Bull swing, ABC correction, and this is actually holding above the 50-week moving average, which I think is a sign of strength, and I think this is just basically ready to head higher too. The stochastics is hooked up, so this didn't come down to oversold as much, and it doesn't have to. There's no reason, these corrections are going to do what they want to do, and I think this is just this stochastic shows the bull swing and the ABC correction. Excuse me. And I think the AUD USD is heading higher. We're going to be taking buy signals on that. Now, on the other side of the coin, the short trades we're looking at are USD CAD. The 50-week moving average is heading down. I think this is just a counter trend rally. The stochastics has come up and the red line is hooked over, which means the top may be in place. Oh, and this one we actually are short in my premium newsletter. I did get a sell signal, and we're short USD CAD right now. And so I'm looking for that to head higher. I think this is just a consolidation in the downtrend, and it's going to break to the downside. It's going to break these lows here, and it's going to head lower. So we're short that pair right now. That's the only trade we have going in the premium newsletter. And then the CHF, USD CHF, the 50-week moving average is coming down here. It just came right up to the 50-week moving average, which should be strong resistance in a downtrend, and I'm expecting the USD CHF to head lower from here. And then again, the stochastics rallied into oversold, and that just means, to me, that just means a rally in a downtrending market, and we're going to take sell signals in the USD CHF. So if you're interested in getting in on these forex pairs, that's some good low risk trades. Please sign up for the premium forex newsletter. Thanks for listening to my video. Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com.